Yeah. Okay. We'll move to the next question. Identify the customers who have paid highest flight charge for the travel class economy. Write a write a SQL query to display ID, flight name, and name of the identified customer. So I'm repeating the statement again. Identify the customers who have paid highest flight charge for the travel class economy. So it is simple. Whenever I say highest, maximum, count, and everything, you have to go for a aggregate functions. When you're going for an aggregate function, maybe like it's not like each statement or each customer is not asked, right? So you can just get the max of the flight charge, right? So you just now split this statement, this one, and for the customer who have paid the highest flight charge for travel class. First you need to get the highest flight charge. Okay. How I will write? First I will think on how to get the highest flight charge. So simply you will get select max of flight charge. Okay, max of flight charge from flight charge, where it is in the booking table, it is there, right? So from booking table you will get. Okay, so actually next condition is what? I need to get it for the travel class economy, right? So the travel class economy is nothing but travel class is also there in the booking table only. So I'll just give travel class equals to, what is that? Economy. Travel class should be economy. Okay, so I am trying to get the select max of flight charge from the booking where travel class equals to economy. See, you see 22,000, and if you go to my data, I'll show you here. My data is here, and you can see clearly 22,000 economy C304. C304 is nothing but Albert, right? So now go back to my question. Okay, identify the customers who have paid the highest flight charge for travel class economy. So now I need to display. Okay, until now I am done. Now what I need to display? Display the ID, flight name, and name of the identified customers. So you just think of it like, what are the other tables? So from the booking table, what you have, flight ID is there, customer ID is there, but customer name is not there. So obviously I need to club customer and booking table, right? So how you will do that clubbing? With the inner join. Clear? So we'll do it with the inner join. Select a star from booking, let's say booking B, inner join with flight F. Okay, on what you need to do? Flight ID. On flight ID you need to do the inner join, B dot flight ID. Okay, now again you think like, I need to get the customer name, right? So again I need to do a inner join, another inner join with what? Customer table C. On what is that? Customer ID. C dot customer ID equals to with which customer ID? With booking, right? So with booking I'll do customer ID. Now I'll give the condition what I need to club this and that. So simply where flight charge equals to, and I'll open a bracket, I'll close a bracket, and your query is done. So now you run it. You have got all the details, but I don't need all these details. What is asked? Flight name and display ID, flight name, and name of the identified customer. So instead of star, what I'll do? Flight ID. I'll take. What else? Flight ID from what? Flight ID, you can take it from the booking table or flight table. So I'll get it from the flight table. And then what do you need? I need flight name. So flight name, obviously you will get it from the flight table, right? And then what else you need? You need a customer name. Customer name, obviously you will get it from the customer table. So three different tables. So that is why I have used all the three joins. Now you need. You got the flight ID, flight name, and customer name. So customer Albert has booked with the maximum flight charge, 22,000 rupees. Okay, clear with this? Guys,
Yes.
clear? Anyone else have any other approach? Mostly you will write the same query.
Exactly. Note.
Yeah. Now